Hey there, food lovers and kitchen enthusiasts. Have you ever felt frustrated with single-use gadgets cluttering your drawers? Do you crave kitchen tools that are as clever as they are stylish? Then step into the world of Akoriam, where we believe in smarter, more efficient, and undeniably cool kitchen solutions. Akoriam is more than just a brand, it's a philosophy. It's about reclaiming your kitchen space and equipping it with tools that work as hard as you do. And the best part? You can build these ingenious gadgets yourself. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and unleash your inner inventor. Together, we'll transform your kitchen into a haven of Akoriam ingenuity. What exactly makes a kitchen tool Akoriam? It's simple. An Akoriam gadget has to meet three key criteria: multifunctionality, sleek design, and sustainable construction. First and foremost, an Akoriam tool must be a multitasking marvel. Think Swiss Army knife meets kitchen gadget. It needs to eliminate clutter and perform multiple tasks with ease. Secondly, we're all about aesthetics. Akoriam appliances blend seamlessly into any modern kitchen. Forget clunky single-purpose contraptions. Akoriam is all about sleek lines and a touch of elegance. Finally, we believe in sustainability. Whenever possible, Akoriam gadgets incorporate recycled or repurposed materials. We're talking about being kind to your kitchen and the planet. Every Akoriam gadget starts with a spark of an idea. What kitchen task do you wish were simpler? What tool would make your culinary life easier? Once you identify a need, it's time to put pen to paper. Don't worry, you don't need to be Da Vinci. Start with simple sketches. Focus on the basic functionality. How many functions can you incorporate into one design? How can you make it compact and easy to store? Think about the materials. Can you upcycle an old cutting board or repurpose those extra magnets from your fridge? The Akoriam approach encourages resourcefulness and creativity. Let's start with a classic kitchen staple, the cutting board. It's a tool that every kitchen, no matter how big or small, absolutely needs. From slicing vegetables to carving meats, a good cutting board is the foundation of countless culinary tasks. But not all cutting boards are created equal. Some are flimsy, others are too bulky, and many just don't offer the versatility that modern cooking demands. But this isn't your average board. This is where the Akoriam cutting board stands out. It's designed to be more than just a surface to chop on. It's a multifunctional tool that can elevate your cooking experience. This Akoriam version does it all. Imagine having a cutting board that not only provides a sturdy surface, but also integrates several useful features to make your kitchen tasks easier and more efficient. First, select a sturdy piece of hardwood. The type of wood you choose can significantly impact the durability and aesthetics of your cutting board. Maple, cherry, or walnut are excellent choices. Each type of wood has its own unique properties. Maple is known for its hardness and fine grain, making it a popular choice for cutting boards. Cherry wood offers a rich, warm color that deepens with age, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Walnut, on the other hand, is prized for its dark, luxurious appearance and durability. Sand it down and oil it to bring out the natural beauty of the wood. This step is crucial as it not only enhances the appearance of the board but also helps to protect it from moisture and bacteria. Now for the Akoriam magic. This is where the cutting board transforms from a simple kitchen tool into a multifunctional marvel. On one end of the board, attach a removable stainless steel tray. This tray is perfect for collecting chopped veggies, herbs, or any other ingredients you need to keep organized while cooking. This tray becomes your prepping zone for chopped veggies or herbs. No more cluttered countertops or multiple bowls. Everything you need is right there on your cutting board. On the opposite end, install a built-in digital scale. This feature is a game changer for precise cooking and baking. Now you can measure ingredients directly on your board. Whether you're weighing flour for baking or portioning out meat, the built-in scale ensures accuracy and convenience. To finish it off, add a groove around the perimeter to catch any stray liquids. This simple addition helps to keep your workspace clean and prevents spills from making a mess on your countertop. This Akoriam cutting board is a game changer for any home chef. With its thoughtful design and multifunctional features, it not only makes cooking more efficient, but also more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this cutting board is sure to become an essential part of your kitchen arsenal. Tired of messy spice jars cluttering your cabinets? Do you find yourself constantly rummaging through a chaotic jumble of spices, unable to find what you need when you need it? It's time to take control of your kitchen space and bring some order to the chaos. Let's create some stylish and functional magnetic spice dispensers. These not only look great but also make your spices easily accessible and organized. Gather small, clear glass jars with metal lids. These jars are perfect because they allow you to see the contents at a glance, making it easy to identify the spice you need. These jars are readily available at most craft stores. You can find them in various sizes to suit your needs, whether you have a large collection of spices or just a few essentials. Next, you'll need strong neodymium magnets. These magnets are incredibly powerful and will ensure that your spice jars stay securely in place. These magnets are known for their exceptional holding power. They can hold heavy objects, so they will have no trouble keeping your spice jars firmly attached to any metal surface. Using strong adhesive, attach a magnet to the underside of each jar lid. Make sure to use enough adhesive to create a strong bond, but not so much that it seeps out and makes a mess. Make sure the adhesive is suitable for both metal and glass. This will ensure that the magnets stay attached to the jar lids and don't come loose over time. Now find a suitable metal surface in your kitchen, like the side of your refrigerator or a metal backsplash. These surfaces are perfect for displaying your new magnetic spice jars. Fill the jars with your favorite spices, label them clearly, and snap them onto your chosen surface. Labeling is key to maintaining organization and ensuring you can quickly find the spice you need. Voila! Your spice rack is now a work of art and your spices are easily accessible. Not only have you decluttered your kitchen, but you've also added a stylish and functional element to your space. Enjoy the convenience and beauty of your new magnetic spice dispensers. Small kitchens require clever solutions. That's where the Akoriam foldable dish rack comes in. This handy gadget expands when needed and folds away discreetly when not in use. For this project, you'll need a sturdy wooden frame. This will provide the structure for your dish rack. Next, source some flexible food-grade silicone. This will form the foldable drying rods. Cut the silicone into strips and attach them to the wooden frame using strong waterproof glue. Ensure the silicone strips are spaced evenly to accommodate plates and bowls. When you need to dry dishes, simply unfold the silicone rods. When not in use, they collapse down for easy storage. Imagine a pot that stirs your sauces and risottos while you focus on other tasks. The Akoriam self-stirring pot makes this a reality. You'll need a standard saucepan with a lid for this invention. The key ingredient here is a small battery-powered motor. You can salvage one from an old appliance or purchase one online. Attach the motor securely to the underside of the pot lid. Make sure the motor shaft protrudes slightly through a hole drilled into the lid. On the motor shaft, attach a food-grade silicone paddle. This paddle will do the stirring. When you switch on the motor, the paddle rotates, effortlessly stirring your food. No more standing over a hot stove. No Akoriam gadget is complete without rigorous testing. Each product undergoes a series of meticulous evaluations to ensure it meets our high standards. This process is not just about functionality, but also about durability, ease of use, and overall user satisfaction. We believe that every kitchen tool should not only perform its intended task, but also enhance the cooking experience. This is where you put your invention through its paces. The testing phase is crucial as it reveals the strengths and weaknesses of the design. By simulating real-world usage, we can identify any potential issues and make necessary adjustments. This step is essential to ensure that the final product is both reliable and efficient. For the cutting board, chop, slice, and dice a variety of ingredients. This helps us assess the board's durability and resistance to knife marks. We also check if the surface is non-slip and if it provides a stable cutting experience. A good cutting board should be able to withstand heavy use without showing significant wear and tear. Does the built-in scale provide accurate measurements? Precision is key in cooking, and an accurate scale can make a significant difference in the outcome of a recipe. We test the scale with various weights to ensure it provides consistent and precise readings. Additionally, we evaluate the ease of reading the measurements and the overall user interface. Is the removable tray easy to clean? Hygiene is paramount in the kitchen, and a tray that is difficult to clean can harbor bacteria and affect food safety. We test the tray's material and design to ensure it can be easily washed and maintained. A well-designed tray should be dishwasher safe and resistant to staining and odors. For the spice dispensers, test the strength of the magnets. The magnets should be strong enough to hold the jars securely even when they are full. We also check if the magnets can withstand repeated use without losing their strength. A reliable spice dispenser keeps your spices organized and easily accessible. Are they strong enough to hold the jars securely? This is crucial to prevent spills and ensure that your spices remain fresh and ready to use. We also evaluate the ease of attaching and detaching the jars, as well as the overall design and functionality of the dispenser. Do the jars stay sealed, preserving the freshness of your spices? Proper sealing is essential to prevent moisture and air from entering the jars, which can degrade the quality of the spices. We test the sealing mechanism to ensure it is effective and easy to use. Fresh spices can significantly enhance the flavor of your dishes. For the foldable dish rack loaded up with dishes, does it remain stable? A good dish rack should be able to hold a variety of dishes without tipping over. We test the rack's stability and capacity to ensure it can handle the demands of a busy kitchen. Additionally, we evaluate the ease of folding and unfolding the rack for storage. Does it fold and unfold smoothly? The mechanism should be intuitive and require minimal effort. We also check if the rack can be securely locked in place when in use, and if it can be compactly stored when not needed. A well-designed dish rack can save space and make kitchen organization easier. And for the self-stirring pot, put it to the test with a thick sauce. Does it stir evenly? Consistent stirring is essential to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. We test the pot with various types of sauces to evaluate its performance. The stirring mechanism should be powerful enough to handle thick mixtures without getting stuck. Is the motor powerful enough to handle the consistency? A strong motor is crucial for the pot to function effectively. We test the motor's power and durability to ensure it can handle prolonged use without overheating or breaking down. A reliable motor ensures that the pot can be used for a variety of cooking tasks. Remember, the goal is to create a gadget that is not only innovative but also practical and durable. Innovation should not come at the expense of usability. We strive to design products that make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Durability ensures that the gadget will last for years, providing consistent performance. Thorough testing ensures that your Akoriam creation meets the highest standards. By rigorously evaluating each aspect of the product, we can guarantee that it will perform as expected in real-world conditions. This commitment to quality is what sets Akoriam apart and ensures that our customers receive the best possible kitchen tools.